Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu Jain and you are watching Encyclo App. In this video, we are discussing the MIP 101 General Introduction to Intellectual, and in this one there are 12 questions. Now the first question is that the explain property rights. How is intellectual property different from the corporeal and real properties? So in this one, if you so we are discussing here about all the questions and answers, and if you need answers of this all the questions, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number. We provide all type of solutions within a day. Not only for this particular course, we have different courses also. You can refer to your friends, and so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is showing on your screen, 9009368 238. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.